Stop. Before you go any further, I want to teach you this 3-second concept about how to make more sales. So, first off, which do you think you would trust more? This guy or this guy? Yeah, the second guy. Why? Because he's dressed in a suit. And we made all these ideas about what he's like and what he has and what he doesn't have versus the other guy. Well, the same when you're trying to sell something in retail. You make assumptions based on the first thing you hear. So if I tell you, for example, this is the very best and it's going to cost a lot of money, you've already probably recalled from it because you're like, oh, a lot of money. Oh, a lot of money. Or if I say to you, oh, this is our value based, it's really the best one, I've set you up to limit what your choice would be because everything after that is going to be viewed through that lens. We call it priming. It's a psychological hack that you use in retail selling, and it's one that a lot of people don't realize. I used to love my employees would say, oh, that guy doesn't have money, or she's just kicking tires, and then I'd make my mission to go make the sale because they made that little moment and said, oh, this is all they're capable of. Versus, I approach it with an open heart, and I'm carefully thinking what I'm going to say before I present the merchandise, right? This works too in your windows. This also works in the way you talk to your staff because the first thing out of your mouth sets you up, right? I've set you up for this expanse of the Hudson River today to get your attention to not scroll. So I want you to take from you today, as you are presenting your merchandise, realize the first words out of your mouth are going to make a difference. Don't think that retail is something for dummies. Actually, retail, if you want to make money, retail is being smarter about these kind of psychological hacks. And I have over 53 lessons on how to sell better in SalesRx. So DM me or follow me or check out salesrx.com